In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the Steam Workshop Downloader free space left error. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble downloading mods or programs from the Steam Workshop and you want to use another tool to download them, Steam Workshop Downloader used to be a great tool for doing so. However, as you can see on the website, they are no longer serving files through their network because of changes in how the Steam Workshop API works. So in this video, I'm going to present you two alternatives to this website in order for you to download mods and whatever you want from the Steam Workshop. The first one also has the same name over at GitHub. It's called Steam Workshop Downloader by Shadox HD on GitHub. So this is an external tool that you need to download from this page. And as you can see here, it's a simple Steam Workshop downloader. You just have to run the downloader.exe file and then input the link for the workshop item or mod you are trying to download, and they will download it through this CMD file. However, if you don't want to use this method because you don't feel comfortable downloading this from GitHub and including your personal details, to properly download something from the Steam Workshop, another great alternative is to use the GG Network website. So head over to ggntw.com, and in this page you can find a list of a lot of supported games. All you have to do after you arrive at this page is to click the Workshop tab at the top of the screen, and in here insert the link to the modification you are trying to download from the Steam Workshop, and the website will get a direct link that you can download the modification from without having to log into Steam or anything. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix the Steam Workshop Downloader free space left error. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.